Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to manually unlock Hyundai Elantra full guide. Begin by locating the manual key slot on the driver door and remove its plastic cover carefully with a flat tool. Use the physical key to turn the cylinder while applying gentle pressure to the handle. If the key resists, try a light lubricant and gentle wiggling motions. Stay calm and work slowly to avoid damaging the lock. Gather a flathead screwdriver, the physical key, a flashlight, and a silicone or graphite lubricant before starting. These basic tools keep the process simple and reduce the chance of causing damage. I recommend working in a well-lit area and protecting trim with a soft cloth to prevent scratches. If you feel stuck at any step, pause and reassess rather than forcing parts, which could lead to costly repairs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: bring a smart speaker into your workspace for hands-free timers and instructions, and it also plays great tunes while you work. I'm highlighting a compact Echo Dot style speaker you might like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by prying the plastic cover off the door handle with a flathead screwdriver. Insert the physical key into the revealed cylinder and turn slowly while pulling the handle outward with steady force. If the lock feels stiff, apply a small amount of graphite or silicone lubricant, wait a moment, then attempt again. Avoid rapid twisting or jerking motions. Working deliberately reduces the risk of breaking the key or damaging the lock housing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.